What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your Sweatcoin or to your exchange. You can trade it there or anywhere you want to trade on the exchange. Okay, so let's get started. But wait, guys. First of all, get me to 1K subscribers. Okay, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends for them to benefit from this video. I know a lot of people have been try to get away to send out their sweet coin. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, you have to go back to your email, so this is your email right now. Don't forget, you have to check the mail you register with, the one you use to register with Sweetcoin. So that's the one you're going to check. So you click on this search in emails, then you type in sweet 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 wallet sweet wallet. You can see it right now. You can see it here. Your wallet is ready, so it's here. So this is how you're going to do it. Oh no, not this one, not this one. Yeah, so this is it. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to check which of the email right now. Okay, this is it. Let me start the email. Okay, you're going to type sweet coin or just sweet wallet. Okay, then so when you started, you click on login your sweet wallet. You click on login your sweet wallet. Okay, so after you click on sweet wallet login, don't click on login right now, just scroll down. Okay, don't click on login, don't click on login, don't click on this login, don't click on it. Okay, don't click on it. Scroll down, you scroll down, you see something like this. See, if you want to check your crypto wallet now, use near.wallet.near, operated by our partner Near. The wallet will only work after you have worked with certain nodes in the Sweetcoin app. Okay, you can see it right now. So then you click on, make sure you click on it. Hold on. Okay, this account security by the link has been imported. So this are you going to do it. You hold on, then you see until they found my account. You can see it right now. You can see one account found. You can see it here. You see your account there. Then go to account. So you can see right now my Sweetcoin is already appearing right now. Sweetcoin is already appearing here. So but it's more than this. I need to activate my wallet first. So I need to activate my wallet. You click on receive. You copy your wallet ID. Click on receive, copy your wallet ID. Then you can send any amount of maybe $1 just to activate your wallet. So I'm going to open my Binance right now. So if you have your near token or near coin on any of the other exchange. So I'm using Binance right now. Okay, so you can withdraw yours from there. Just do that on your own. So but this is how I'm going to do it right now. So you can see it right now. I already activate my wallet. So this is it. See my Sweetcoin. So this is it right now. Okay, so if you want to send, you click on send. You select the token you want to send. You can just click on Sweetcoin, then you input the amount and the wallet you want to send. Okay, I just use this way, 30 Sweetcoin use available to send to. Yeah, click on continue. Then you copy the address from FTS exchange or any other exchange you want to send your Sweetcoin to. Copy the address and then you paste the address here. After that, you click on continue. Then you can see it will be successful. Thank you guys, but don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel right now. Don't forget to share this video with your friend for them to benefit from these opportunities. Okay, see you next video.